Hi everyone, this is Sheikh from Tradetron. Today I will show you how to integrate Fire's broker with Tradetron. It's a very simple process. For this process, we need only one thing, that is your Fire broker's user ID or your client ID. So just keep that handy. It looks like an alphanumeric key. So yeah, I will show you what it looks like. So for that, we just need to click on that your name. You will probably see your name here on the top right side. Click on that, then go to the brokers and exchange section. Click on the broker and exchange, and this page is going to appear. So my broker is already generated or linked, right? It is already, so I'll just delete it and do it again. So next thing we do is this, click on this add broker option. You can choose from all these brokers. In this case, we're going to choose Fires. And then we need to put only this. So here we need to put the client ID, which is provided by the Fires, which looks something like this, like it's an alphanumeric key. uh, yeah, it should look something like this only. I'm not putting the real client ID here. This is just for example. And this token box, just leave it blank. Don't put anything here, and then click on save. Okay. So this part, there is a one-time process. This part is done. So we move to the next part now. So the next part is also very important. So next part is generating token. So let me first tell you what is token. Token is something that we need to trade on your, or to place trades on your broker's account. And Fires require the users to generate this token every day before the trading hours start or the market opens. So between 7 a.m. and 9:15, you need to generate this token every day so that Tradetron can place trades on your broker. Otherwise, you will see error execution on your strategies. So let's see how to do that. So first, hover your mouse on this link and then right click and open this link in the incognito tab or in the private window. Make sure to open it in the private tab or incognito window, because if you open it in the normal tab, maybe you are already logged into the Fires and it will show success, but the token is not actually generated. So always open it in an incognito window. So we open this link, and now here again, we put the Fire's client ID, we put our password, and we put our PAN. Okay. And next, we need to submit this. So after you press on submit, a page like this will appear, which will show success. This means that the token is generated. So after the token is generated, we can place trades from Tradetron to your broker. After creating the token, we can check that our broker is successfully integrated or not. For that, we can use a test strategy. I will provide the link for the strategy in the description. You can copy the link and paste it on your URL tab, and then duplicate this strategy. It will buy 1 unit of ITC and then sell it automatically. So use that, first duplicate it, then go to my strategies, and you'll have to deploy it on your Fires broker. Okay, so we choose live auto from here, and then we choose Fires, and we press on deploy, and then we will go to the deployed page, and here is our deployed strategy. After a few seconds, you will see the strategy has taken a trade. It has it has bought 1 unit of ITC, and if it has successfully bought it and there is no error execution for the strategy, that means that your broker is successfully integrated. You may also go into your broker's order section to check if the order was successfully placed on your broker. So just go to your order section, and here we can see that the order was successfully placed as the strategist filled.